Okay, guys. So let's just move ahead to the next question, which is question number 5. Okay. And again, let me just scroll this thing a little bit here so that it would be clearly visible to all of us. Now see, I hope now that's clearly visible. Okay. Now see, this question number 5 belongs to the advanced math module. Okay. And from the advanced math, actually it belongs to the equivalent expression. Okay. And of course, the difficulty level is mentioned as easy only. So of course, that's going to be a very simple question. Okay, now see, what do you need to do here? One algebraic expression is mentioned here. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to simplify that so that you can say that expression is equivalent to which one of them. Okay, so we have algebraic expression. Just simplify that expression. So see how to simplify that. I'll be having 3 upon 3x minus 5 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3. Okay, now I have two functions, two factors at the denominator. So just take the LCM as both of them. So I'll be having 3x minus 5. Then I'll be having 2x plus 3. Okay, now this 3 will be multiplied to this 2x plus 3. Then minus 2 would be multiplied to this 3x minus 5. Okay, now let's just simplify this together. So see, I'll be having 6x plus 9. Okay, then minus 6x plus 10 divided by, let me just copy as it is, 3x minus 5 into 2x plus 3. Okay, so of course this plus 6x and minus 6x would be cancelled out. Okay, so at the numerator I'll be having 9 plus 10, which will become 19, divided by the same thing, 3x minus 5 into 2x plus 3. Okay, so just that much you need to do, because see, just have a look at the option. At the denominator part, they have not simplified these two factors. Okay, so they have left them as it is. So of course we are also not going to simplify them further. So is there any option which is looking like 19 upon 3x minus 5 into 2x plus 3? So of course my option is looking like at the numerator the constant is 19. That is why the correct answer should be option A. Okay, so of course it was mentioned as an easy one, and it was actually even. Okay, it was actually easy. So because the simple question number 5 should be clear to you,